Hi guys, I'm James. Again, welcome to reside. Before we start, if you like to see more of this kind of videos, please support us by subscribing in our channel. So, let's start with how to get an Italian residence permit for a student from a non-EU country. What's the Italian residence permit? A form of an Italian residence permit is a legal document that you must have if you intend on staying in the country for more than 3 months. As per the Italian immigration law, there are two types of residence permits, temporary and permanent, which we want to go through the temporary residence permit. If you're a non-EU citizen intending on spending more than 90 days in Italy, you must obtain a temporary residence permit within 8 days of your arrival in the country. Residence permit application. An essential prerequisite for your successful residence permit application is the possession of the Italian study visa. Remember that, once you've entered Italy, you'll need to submit a filled-out application form within 8 days of your arrival date, which is called Yellow Kit, and you can obtain it from the local post offices in your city you live in. In this step, the application requires you to submit the photocopy of various documents such as passport, visa, proof of income, certificate of enrollment, proof of accommodation which can be your rental contract or a hospitality letter, medical insurance that you are able to show it later when you want to go for fingerprints, marca da bollo stamp, and finally the application fee. It's worth noting that, make sure not to sign the application or close the envelope, since the officers handling your application have to review them first. If they find that everything is in order, they will give you your appointment date. Biometric data. After submitting the application, you have to appear at the questura, local police headquarters, to provide biometric data, fingerprints and photo. On the date of your appointment at the questura, you must bring the originals of all the documents that you need along with the receipt, and the letter containing your appointment date that you received at the post office. Waiting for approval, it may take a few weeks or months to receive a response. Once the application is approved, you can collect your residence permit from the post office. Congratulations! You got your Italian residence permit. My friend Jessica will continue with you.
Hello, I'm Jessica. If you liked this video so far, click the subscribe button to get more information in the future. Thanks a lot. Italian residence permits can be issued with a validity date of 6 months, 1 year, or 2 years, depending on the type of permit you have, which is 1 year in our case for studying purpose. Now let's answer this question that can I renew an Italian residence permit? The answer is yes, you can renew your Italy residence permit. Depending on the type of permit you have to renew it. For Italian residence permits valid for 1 year, at least 90 days before it expires. The Italian residence permit renewal process is the same as when you first apply. So you have to get an application kit from the post office, complete it, submit it, and then wait for your questura appointment, where you will receive your new residence permit card. You cannot leave Italy while your residence permit is in the process of being renewed. Benefits of the temporary residence permit. Even though having a temporary residence permit doesn't provide you with the same rights as an Italian citizen, it'll give you the following benefits. Number 1, freedom of traveling to other EU countries. Number 2, the right to work in Italy. And finally, a clear path to obtaining a permanent residence permit.
Okay guys, thanks for your watching. I hope you could find this video useful. So, as before, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon for a new subject. Bye.